Hi, this is Nathan Ware at Rain Networks, and what we're going to go through today is the installation of Macrium Site Backup. The Macrium Site Backup product is the management console that is used to centrally manage both Macrium's network backup product and also their network deployment product called Site Deploy. The same management console, Site Backup, is used in both scenarios. So with a single management console, we could control either Macrium product, and it is the starting point of utilizing these products. So what we're going to go through is how to set up the management console. It's a very simple and easy installation, takes just a couple of minutes, and it gives you the capability to utilize these fantastic Macrium products. All right, let's start with how you get your installation file. This is generally going to happen, I'm going to switch tabs here, by going to manage.macrium.com. You'll have a license key assigned to you when you purchase. You'll go to the download section. You're going to go to Site Backup, and you're going to download this installer right here. Okay. Once you have the installer, it will look like this in Windows Explorer. Okay, so to initiate the installation, we're just going to double click on this exe, and we're going to walk through the setup wizard to set up the Macrium management console. All right, we're going to hit next at the first screen. You'll see the copy and setup files option. We will then click next. We will accept the terms and conditions and hit next. These two items here are optional. Image Guardian is Macrium's security tool that ensures that ransomware and other malware items cannot edit your backup files. And VI Boot is Macrium's hypervisor that allows you to boot Macrium backup files into a working virtual machine. Many people use VI Boot to test their backups. These are both great utilities. They are optional though. You don't have to install them. If you do install them, a reboot will be required at some point in the future. You don't have to do the reboot immediately, but you will have to do a reboot at some point in the future to utilize and access these two components. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit next and then install to initiate the installation. And you'll see here, this is a very quick installation. Oftentimes this entire process, is really just a minute or two. And at the end here, we'll be able to utilize the Macrium products. We will be able to add our licenses into Site Manager, which will then give us the capability to activate all of our licensing and use it. All right, there we go. That's the end of the installation for Macrium Site Manager. And then in our next video, we're going to go through the initial configuration process.